Welcome to English for Beginners. Today's lesson is the English alphabet. The English alphabet has 26 letters. Let's discover them together. A apple. A apple. B basket. B basket. C cat. C cat. D dog. D dog. E elephant. E elephant. F flowers. F flowers. G giraffe. G giraffe. H house. H house. I ice cream. I ice cream. J jellyfish. J jellyfish. K koala. K koala. L lemon. L lemon. M mouse. M mouse. N nest. N nest. O onion. O onion. P peacock. P peacock. Q question. Q question. R radio. R radio. S sun. S sun. T television. T television. U umbrella. U umbrella. V volcano. V volcano. W wave. W wave. X X-ray. X X-ray. Y YouTube. Y YouTube. Z zebra. Z zebra. Stay tuned for more lessons.